So if I were to go around and create a new file over here in GIMP, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and create an A5 project right here. And if I were to go around and let's say for example, choose a paintbrush right here and paint out, you can see that I have a project. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go around onto file and save this out. So once I go around, I can go around onto my desktop right here and save this out over here. You can see that the format for the file is XCF format right here. So I'm just going to go around and say project.xcf right here and click on save. So once I do that, what happens is that on my desktop, you can see the XCF file right here. If I were to go around and make some changes onto this file and then go to file and save, then what happens is that the file will be replaced. It won't ask me to save out the file again. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and save this out as a copy. I don't want to replace out the file. Then in that case, you can go around onto file and save as right here. Once you go around over here, you can go around and let's say, for example, type in project2 right here, just like this. And then what happens is that the file will be saved in project2. If I were to open up the project1 right here, just like this, you can see that this is the previous version, while this is the edited version right here. Apart from that, let's say you still want to continue out working on the same file without actually opening up project2 right here, as you can see right here. In that case, you can save out a copy as well. So let's say I'm going to go around, make some changes. I'm going to go around onto file and save a copy right here as project2 2 right here, just like this, and hit the save button. Then what happens is that let me just go around and hit the save button. The project2 file saves out, but you can see that still the project2 opens up. So unlike the save as, it does not actually open up the other project, but continues opening up the project2, while on project2 what happens is that the other changes are saved out separately. And that is how you can utilize the save, save as, and save a copy option inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.